Sherry, obesity is considered probably one of the gravest health problems that we have in our country today. People are morbidly obese with diabetes, and I mean, tell us a little bit about a supplement called Phase 2 and how that interacts with trying to get involved in weight management.
Well, obesity is a very common health concern today. We have a situation where over 2/3 of people in North America are overweight or obese and looking for ways that can help support their weight management programs. Now, diet and exercise has to be at the foundation. You have to eat healthy, not follow fad diets, but eat healthy, low glycemic carbohydrates, good proteins, good fats, and get regular exercise. So I think it's important that I state that up front. I believe that dietary supplements can play a supportive role, but it's very important that you follow a healthy lifestyle. Now, Phase 2, it is a supplement that I recommend because it has undergone clinical testing and it's found to be very safe and very effective in helping to support a weight management program. Phase 2 is an extract of the white kidney bean that acts as a starch neutralizer. Now, you take this supplement before you eat a high starch meal, such as potatoes, rice, pasta. All of these starchy carbohydrates get eventually broken down in our body into sugar, which then gets absorbed into our system, and if we're not physically active burning off those calories, they can get stored as fat. So by taking Phase 2 before a starchy meal, it helps to reduce the amount of starch that gets converted into sugar in your system. So that helps to reduce your after-meal blood sugar levels, reduce the amount of starch that you're getting in your system, and that has been found to help support weight management. In fact, there have been a number of clinical studies done on Phase 2 showing some very impressive results. And as we've talked before, as a pharmacist, I think that's really important that we look to dietary supplements that have undergone clinical testing.
As a pharmacist, as someone who's very involved in all this, we have found that Phase 2 works out very well, but we've also found that what you have to do is you have to remember to use it on a regular basis. That's pretty important too, isn't it, when you buy a product like that? To really see if it works is to use it on a regular basis.
That's right, and you're not going to notice benefits overnight when you take a supplement to help support weight management. It's consistency that counts. Now, the best way to take Phase 2 is to have it about 20 minutes before a starchy meal. The recommended dosage is 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams, and you take it, again, just before that starchy meal. So if you're having pasta, if you're having rice, if you're having breads, bagels, a muffin or a donut, those are high starch foods, and if you take Phase 2 beforehand, it will help to reduce the amount of starch that you get from eating those meals. And in order to notice the benefits, you want to be consistent with your Phase 2, but also with eating healthy and getting regular exercise, because it's that combination really that is going to give you the greatest chance for success.
Good advice. Thank you.
Thank you.